these companies are vivid examples of the kind of future we can create. But it's now up to the Senate to continue the work that was begun in the House to forge this more prosperous future.
But those bullet holes in the ceiling, this broken altar, still stand as vivid reminders of the history that unfolded here. And you all know the story.
So it's a vivid reminder that the more of this material we can secure, the safer all of our countries will.
The caregiving experiences also reminds me how much you appreciate the simple things. Stepping outside to see the vivid colors of the sky, or smelling the fresh air of spring.
What's going through the minds of so many young people who have the drive and the energy and have succeeded in everything that they do, but because of family circumstances have found themselves in a situation where they've got significant debt. Now we know, all of you know, that in a 21st century, and given that I have at least pretty vivid memories of how concerned people were about Ebola, the notion that we would stop monitoring as effectively and dealing with Ebola in order to deal with Zika doesn't make a lot of sense. You're seeing vivid images of a child in the aftermath of a bombing.